Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. In your iPhone 14 series, if you have a cellular connectivity issue, poor 5G signal and no service, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic method is we have to launch settings and enable airplane mode. After that, we have to lock iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock iPhone, go back to settings and disable airplane mode. The second solution is maybe you are not in 5G coverage area. So we have to launch settings and mobile or cellular data, then tap mobile data option and tap voice and data and select 4G instead of 5G. Solution is connect to Wi-Fi, then go to settings and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then go back to general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. Don't worry, this process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, the final solution is force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.